Hi you guys. So I ordered some Supreme lip gloss on a website, and they actually came. I'm surprised. They are real. So if anybody see me, don't send hate comments. And so yeah, it comes in this like red Supreme box. It's really cool. It's like it came with the like tape because it like opens up like this really easily. And so yeah, I just wanted to make a video on it because I do like unboxing videos. I barely do any of them though. So yeah, right now I'm in my gaming chair. I don't really do that much, but yeah, I'm gonna do. Can you guys see that? Oh, my camera's kind of Supreme. Here, maybe right here. Wait, can you guys see that right? It looks upside down. Well, it says, okay, yeah. No mind, you guys can see it. So it says Supreme right here. And then on the top it says it right here on the front. It doesn't say it. Just right here it says something. I don't really know what it says. But yeah, and then right here, it doesn't say anything. So right now we're going to be getting into the unboxing video. We're going to do this. See, it says Supreme right here. Okay, and I ordered red ones. It comes in this cool bag. Oopsie, sorry. It comes in this cool little bag. It goes like this, and you like tighten it if you ever want to do this. And I got red ones. I just put my thing on my dresser right over there. And then, so yeah, I just have these for, I don't know. Plus I have my shoes. But, my shoes, I don't really like doing unboxing videos for my shoes. But, yeah, I will do another unboxing video, on my Xbox. The unboxing of my Xbox. But for right now, I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to show you guys my shoes. So here's the first one. I really like them. I've never worn them, but they look really cool. It's a size 6, right, as you can see it. It doesn't have enough space to say Supreme all the way, so like, because there's really small, it just says Super. And then under here, it says Supreme, if you guys can see that. Will my camera focus? Well, it just says Supreme. And it says Supreme on this one too. And it says the number 6, because that's the size I wear. It goes like this. So, yeah. I just think they're really cool. I just got them. They feel really comfortable inside. And they have these cool little like stars on the bottom of it. I don't know what this hole is for. There's a hole in both of them. It just has like the same thing. But yeah, I think they're really cool. They look really cool. I like them how it comes in this like little box and this bag. It says something on there, but they feel really soft. I really like them. They have like an imprint for your foot, or if you use them a lot, it imprints your foot. So yeah, and I really like them, but I will do another video on next time I get something, which will most likely be my Xbox. And I'm going to be ordering some other stuff. So, yeah. This is like kind of like my setup right here. Here, one second, you guys. This is most likely my setup. So I have like this monitor. Here I have this like monitor. I have this keyboard and mouse, which is really cool. If I plug it in, it lights up. But I don't really want to plug it in. I'll do when I get my Xbox, I'll do an unboxing video and I'll show you guys what I mean on my whole head setup. And that will be it for today, you guys. Bye.